How to restore original photo in Meitu. First of all, open the app and select the photo you want to edit. Apply any edits or effects as needed. If you want to go back to the original photo, tap on the undo icon at the top of the screen. Keep tapping undo until all edits are removed and the photo returns to its original state. This method is useful when you want to remove recent changes or completely restore the original image without saving unwanted edits. Once restored, you can either start editing again or simply save the photo without any changes. Now you know how to restore original photo in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing, photo and creative tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.